Hi, you guys. We are just getting up, and this is where we're staying. We've been here for three nights, so we're going to be moving on. This is Eureka Casino, and up there is the, let me see, the Eureka sign. And what is really amazing is, let me see if we can see up here, that's all snow. All of that is snow. It snowed last night. It's all snow. All over up there. See? That's all snow. In Mesquite, Nevada. Won't be long before the sun melts it off, I'm sure. And tonight at 9 p.m. we are going live in the Mesquite City graveyard. That's going to be our little special. So I just wanted to show you guys the snow, let you see where we've been the last 3 days, camping for free, right here in the parking lot of the Eureka Casino. All right, please like and subscribe. Oh, there's Zena. Oh, look, there's Tinkerbell. Look at that, there's Tinkerbell. She's in the bed. Oh, she likes the sun. Oh, doesn't she like the sun? Look at that. She's ignoring me. There she is. We haven't made her bed yet. We just got up, took her for a walk. Now, another scan. That's all snow up there on those mountains. Alright, please like and subscribe. Please share my videos. And tonight, this is New Year's Eve. We are going live at 9 p.m. in the Mesquite City Graveyard. If you can make it, please do. Peace.